Welcome to the personal property tour for 87 West High Street in Buckhaven. This is a beautiful move-in condition, one bedroom upper apartment. You've got a newly renovated bathroom, newly fitted kitchen, literally perfect inside. Nothing for you to do with this one. And this is actually your views. It's in a stunning location. We're literally right on the Fife Coastal Path. These views could be yours. Look at that. It is just beautiful. And I'm going to take you on the tour in a sec. I'll see you there. Hi, so that's us upstairs and I'm just going to take you on the tour. This is a beautiful apartment, as I say, move-in condition, and you'll see that instantly we go in. Let's go. So it's number 87, as you can see. Let's head on in. So instantly you come in, you can see it's so lovely and bright and airy. It really is. It's a really spacious apartment actually. We're going to head into the bedroom and wait to see these views. Absolutely stunning. So you can see Berwick Law, you can see the Bass Rock, right along to Ely Point. If I come this side, you can see you're looking right across to Edinburgh. But it's a great location. This is the Fife Coastal Path that we're on. So if walking and cycling is your thing, leisure-wise, this is a great spot. Just beautiful. It's a really good sized double room as well. So plenty of space for a home office, vanity, dressing area. Really good sized room. And actually you've got all of this storage as well, which again for an apartment is just fantastic. So lots of storage, nice sized room, stunning views as you can see. Really spacious, isn't it? But those views are just something else, aren't they? Really lovely. And that is the bedroom. So we're going to head on now into the bathroom, which is straight across the hallway. And as we come in, you'll see it again, really nice and neutral, finished, lovely inside. I love this tiling. Comes right down onto the bath as well, it's beautiful. So you've got a thermostatic shower, you've got your rainfall shower head, you've got your bath, you've got your vanity wash hand basin, and also your WC. As you can see, the light's kind of fading a little bit here because it's just so bright. If I come back a bit, you'll maybe get a bit of you. There you go. Just because of sunlight. It's a really nice bright airy apartment. So that's your bathroom. Bonus with this as well, for an apartment you've got lots of storage, so you've got a really large walk-in cupboard here and also further storage in there. Your lounge is straight ahead, so come into the lounge, you'll see again just how lovely and spacious it is. It's a great sized room, so it's a dining lounge as well, so plenty of space for a dining table in here. Lovely and bright, you've got this big double window, makes it feel really nice and airy, but you can see just the sheer size. That's a large sofa and there's still plenty of room. If I come across here, you absolutely could see how you could have a dining set in the corner here, or even a little home office. It's a really nice space. Lovely and bright as well. And as I say, you've got these double windows with that stunning view. So again, you can see Old Buckhaven Harbour. You're going right along to Weems. You can see Edinburgh here. You've got Berwick Law. You've got the Bass Rock. It's just stunning. Such a great location. Be by the seaside, and literally, as I said earlier, that Fife Coastal Path right on your doorstep. So great size room, isn't it? And if we go straight ahead, we go into the kitchen. So again, the kitchen's recently been renovated. You've got all of your integrated appliances that you would like. So you've got your oven, you've got your microwave, you've got your hob, you've got your extractor, you've got your fridge and also your freezer. But it's a really nice size room. Again, I like the colour of the sink. The units are lovely, aren't they? And from here as well, you've also got lovely views across Buckhaven Harbour, which is nice. Really tranquil location. It's a good sized kitchen, isn't it? Nice and spacious. So we'll head back out into the lounge. And again, I'll just give you one last look at that stunning views because it's just so lovely. You've also got a communal garden with the property as well. So this is the personal property tour for 87 West High Street in Lower Buckhaven. As you can see, it's a fantastic move-in condition, one bedroom apartment. Nothing for you to do. Newly fitted kitchen, newly fitted bathroom. Even the carpeting, everything about it is really lovely and fresh. You've got those stunning views from the bedroom and also from the lounge, as well as that harbour view as well from the kitchen. Location-wise, as I mentioned earlier, you're in a great spot. You're right on the Fife Coastal Path. So cycling, walking, running, you've got everything on your doorstep to do that, with those gorgeous sea views all the way around the harbour to Weems as well. So it's really great walking as well. So if you've got a dog, this is a great location for you. You've also got versatile living space, so you've got space in your lounge for dining furniture and also for home office area if you wished. But again, that bedroom's a large bedroom as well for a 1-bedroom apartment. The location-wise, you're literally a 5-minute drive, you're at Cameron Bridge train station. So that's taking you to Edinburgh and Dundee and beyond. So commuter-wise, fantastic for that. You're also about a 5-6 minute drive, you're at Leven. So with Leven, you've got the additional train station. You've also got the beaches, you've got the swimming pool and leisure centre, you've got the high street, so everything that has to offer, your tapas bars, your restaurants, your pubs, your shops, your retail park, everything is there on your doorstep, as well as those lovely gorgeous beaches down there as well. And the golf courses. You're not far from Silverburn Park either. Once you've parked up there, it's a great walk all the way along. So if outdoor living is your thing, then definitely this is a great location, but also the commuter links as well, taking you to Edinburgh. It's just in a great spot. The all-important price point is in this post, along with all the information about the property. If you think this one is of interest to you, you can message me here directly. Likewise, if you want to have a chat with the team, you can give them a call on 01333 421 774. And it's Perry at Fife Properties TV. Feeling quite relaxed actually with this view. It's stunning. Take care. Bye-bye.